This is the press statement from the VV Eastern Zone. We, the village volunteers Eastern Zone, firmly reiterate our stand. There will be no free movement in KUKI Zone areas before the establishment of separate administration or union territory with a legislature for the KUKI Zone people. The relentless injustice, inhuman atrocities, and systematic oppression committed against our people cannot be ignored or brushed aside under the pretense of peaceful marches. Those who have inflicted sufferings on the KUKI Zone people, those who have taken innocent lives, and those who continue to deny our fundamental rights will not be allowed free passage into our lands. Our demand and separate administration is not just a political aspiration, but a necessity for our survival, security, and dignity. We urge our concerned authorities to take note of the deep-rooted grievances and legitimate demands of the KUKI Zone people. Until a just and lasting solution is reached, we will not allow those who have persecuted us to move freely in our territories. Any individual or organization attempting to reconcile the perpetrators through the government channels before the establishment of separate administration or UT will face severe consequences. We stand firm in our commitment to protecting our people, our land and future. Any attempt to infringe upon our rights or forcefully enter our areas will be met with strong resistance. No free movement before separate administration. Justice and security for KUKI Zone people. Koi CSO lam kai hihen, koi su group lam kai hihen, koi mi mel hizongle. Separate administration akimu masang siya, government through Meilhei hoto kicham ding vaibol ahung kimat do kha le. VV in achunga capital punishment kipe ding ahi.